Hello friends, welcome to TriviaBlitz. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started.
Can you guess this? Is it an eyeliner, mascara, or eyeshadow? It's a mascara. Can you guess this? Is it a lip balm, lip gloss, or lip liner? It's a lip balm. Can you guess this? Is it a concealer, foundation, or powder? It's a foundation. Can you guess this? Is it a bronzer, a highlighter, or blush? It's a blush. Can you guess this one? Is it an eye cream, eye primer, or eyeshadow? It's an eye primer. Can you guess this? Is it a lip gloss, lip liner, or lipstick? It's a lipstick. Can you guess this? Is it an eyeliner, a mascara, or eyeshadow? It's an eyeliner. Can you guess this one? Is it a sunscreen, a toner, or moisturizer? It's a moisturizer. Can you guess this? Is it a foundation, powder, or concealer? It's a powder. Can you guess this one? Is it a highlighter, a bronzer, or blush? It's a highlighter. Can you guess this? Is it a lip balm, lipstick, or lip gloss? It's a lip gloss. Can you guess this? Is it a concealer, a foundation, or powder? It's a concealer. Can you guess this one? Is it an eyeliner, eyeshadow, or mascara? It's an eyeshadow. Can you guess this one? Is it a highlighter, blush, or bronzer? It's a bronzer. Let's try guessing this one. Is it a moisturizer, a sunscreen, or toner? It's a toner. Can you guess this one? Is it a sunscreen, a moisturizer, or toner? It's a sunscreen. Can you guess this one? Is it lipstick, lip liner, or lip gloss? It's a lip liner. Can you guess this one? Is it an eye primer, an eyeshadow, or eye cream? It's an eye cream. Can you guess this one? Is it a makeup remover, a toner, or moisturizer? It's a makeup remover. Can you guess this? Is it a brow pencil, brow gel, or brow powder? It's a brow gel. Can you guess this one? Is it a brow gel, brow powder, or brow pencil? It's a brow pencil. Can you guess this one? Is it a brow powder, brow gel, or brow pencil? It's a brow powder. Can you guess this? Is it a nail strengthener, nail polish remover, or nail polish? It's a nail polish. Can you guess this? Is it a nail strengthener, nail polish, or nail polish remover? It's a nail strengthener. Can you guess this? Is it a nail polish, nail strengthener, or nail polish remover? It's a nail polish remover. Can you guess this one? Is it a face scrub, a face mask, or face cream? It's a face mask. Can you guess this one? Is it a face mask, face scrub, or face cream? It's a face scrub. Let's try guessing this one. Is it a face mask, face scrub, or face cream? It's a face cream. Let's try guessing this one. Is it a deodorant, a perfume, or body spray? It's a perfume. Can you guess this one? Is it a perfume, body spray, or deodorant? It's a deodorant. See you in the next one.